Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the forecast chart of gold USD in front of us. And as you can clearly see, that there is no direction on the market right now. If you look at the news, then you can see the dollar on back foot as US default risk weighs. So overall, there is a indecision in the global market because just 2 or 3 days ago, dollar was on front foot, dollar was bullish because of the market sentiment, and again you can see the market sentiment is slowly changing. That's why I confessed couple of days ago that I'm done, I'm tired of all these news. That's why I'm strictly trading from level to level. I'm simply targeting 30 to 40 pips on trades. Once I'm getting 30 to 40 pips, I'm happy. Okay, I'm not going for swing trades because I'm done with the news. Okay, until unless market becomes normal. Okay, the number of news. Okay, the impact of news reduces. I will not be switching to or going for any swing trades. I'll be going for level to level trades only. So I believe that you all are also tired of the news. And sadly, we as retail traders can't help it. Okay. If you look at the chart of dollar right now, okay, then we can see that dollar took support. Okay, as expected, dollar came for retracement and dollar took support around 102.40. Our level worked perfectly, and we can see that market is trying to go up. So if the upside continues on DXY, then obviously we will see 103.30 in the couple of days. But due to the changing market sentiment, if market breaks this level or market breaks 102.34, then there will be further downside on DXY and market or dollar will be heading towards 101.95 to 101.88. So if market continues the upside from here, then obviously well and good, market will be behaving according to expectation and 103.30 will be the next resistance. On the other hand, if market breaks 102.30, then the downside will continue and 101.95 to 101.88 will be the next support. So let's wait and watch. And one thing I would like to add here is that because of the ongoing uncertainty, it is better to avoid overnight positions. It is better to go for day trades only. Now gold, you can see that gold is forming dojis and spinning tops. This chart, this particular portion of the chart is full of dojis and spinning tops. What does dojis and spinning tops signify? It signifies indecision in the market. Or in simple words, right now market is in indecision mode. The buyers and sellers are still fighting, as a result of which we do not have any clarity. The levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid because market has not moved much. 1970 to 1966 is still the best support on the chart of gold, but the best support is far away from the current market price. So as a result, we need to keep our eyes on the level of 1999. If during the day or tomorrow market starts falling, observe the market at a 1999. If market takes support and bounces, you can go for a buy. But in this present scenario, there is a high chance that market will break 1999 level. So if market breaks 1999 level, we can also take a sell position. In fact, I have already shown you on the weekly chart that the momentum of the market is not going up. The momentum is going down, reducing. So there is a high chance that we may get to see a downside. We may get to see a big downside on the chart of gold. So 1999 is an important level. But sadly, the 1999 is also far away from the current market price. So what should be a trading strategy then? For that, we need to move to the 15 minutes time frame. Before I proceed with the levels, I would like to mention that, my dear friends, keep in mind that levels from 15 minutes are not very reliable in comparison to 4 hours time frame or the hourly time frame. But right now, as the market is in indecision mode, as a result of which we are looking for trading opportunities on the 15 minutes time frame. So if you're a new trader, beginner, or you are in a very tight spot, can't afford to lose any money right now, then avoid trading on the chart of gold, because these levels are not very reliable and can be a little bit risky. My dear friends, we are traders, we are not gamblers. Okay, so as a result, okay, you only need to trade on levels that you need to understand. Okay, so during the day, if gold breaks 2011 2011 level, you can look for a quick sell position, and you can target 20 to 25 pips if market breaks 2011 level. On the other hand, if gold breaks 2008 level, if gold breaks 2008 level, then also you can look for a sell position, okay, and you can target 40 pips. So 2001 level, okay, you can target 20 pips. If gold breaks 2008 level, you can target 40 pips. But be careful, if you see that market is breaking the level with volume, means size of the candle should be good enough, then only go for a sell position. Okay, and on the other hand, if market tries to recover during the day, then observe the market around 2024 to 2026 area. Hopefully market will face some resistance, selling pressure around this area. If you see that market is showing price rejection from above, on the 50-minute chart also you can observe market is showing price rejection from above, market is struggling around this area, you can also look for a sell. So these are the levels that you can trade for the day. Again, I'm repeating, we do not have any clarity on the chart of gold right now, as a result of which it is better to avoid if you're looking for safe trading opportunities. Okay, we can clearly see that market is an indecision right now, and as a result of which we had to look on the 50 minutes time frame. And lastly, my dear friends, today is the last day. From tomorrow onwards, the 3 days workshop will start. It's a Hindi and English workshop, दोनों language में होता है. Okay, the Hindi workshop will start from tomorrow, and the English will start from 22nd. Everything is mentioned on the website. As I have already mentioned, that this workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're struggling with the market, if you're unable to make money, then definitely you can consider joining the workshop. The link is in the description. After 3 days workshop, you will also get 1 month support. I was about to say 3 months. 1 month support. These are the benefits that you will be receiving after the workshop for 1 month. And you can see that I have also shared my story. As I said, this workshop is not for complete beginners, so kindly go through the questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Okay. Because if you're a complete beginner, then please do not join, because you need to learn the basics first. I'll be dealing with the core concepts of the market. I'll be trying to teach the behavior of the market mostly. Okay, and you can see that everything is mentioned, the curriculum, and the best part is the price. It is only $15 for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. Unbelievable price. So hopefully you'll love it. The date and timing is mentioned on the website. Okay, once you join, okay, just send a screenshot or to the WhatsApp number below. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. We also have annual membership, semi-annual membership, those who are looking for a complete guidance for next couple of months. Okay, so you can also check this out. Bye bye, take care.